Okay, this video is for anybody that has lost their drone or anybody that might be concerned what happens if your drone does crash somewhere or you can't find it. This video just might help you. Let me paint the picture for you. Here's my DJI Spark carrying case. Right here, yeah, there's no drone in here, which is upsetting because yesterday I'm flying my drone. I went into the mountains, there's a lot of snow. I'm getting some great footage of the mountains, the ski resort, snow on the ground. I'm flying through trees, looking at clouds, just great coverage, great video coverage. I'm driving home and I see this rock formation. I said, let me get that. I'm flying through the rock formation. Okay, right here is the actual footage of me flying through the rock formation and where I crash. I'm looking around to just see what angle I should take, what approach I should take. I kind of like the big rocks on the left, and I say I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna pan around, and I'm gonna look at these rocks. Let me back away, but then the sun got in my eyes, so I came down. I mean, the sun got in the drone's vision, so I came down. I hit the rock mountain and the drone crashes. The battery had to pop out because my transmission was just lost. So I go and I search. I searched for an hour. After searching, I had to give up. It was getting dark. I couldn't find the drone. Even though I knew the general location, I just couldn't find it. So I came home upset. Not upset, but sad. I lost my drone. What am I gonna do? You know what, I'm not gonna quit. So I got my daughter and I'm going out today to find my drone because I have some newfound information. So this is the information that might help you. I'm gonna go to the DJI Spark, the Go 4 app, and if you go to that app, you know, you were all familiar with it. Right here, the little menu button, you click it and it says, sorry if you can't see this, but it says find my drone. So I click find my drone and it will give you the location of the last known spot of the drone. So with this newfound knowledge, I'm optimistic that I'm going to find my drone. Let's see what happens. Okay, I just opened up the DJI app, DJI Go 4 app. Click up here and you click these lines, the menu button, hit find my drone. I have my LTE on. So right here, here's a map. Let me zoom out. So it gives you a map of where you are, your general location. Then you can zoom in. Right here, I hit these layers, and you have standard, satellite, or hybrid. I go to satellite. That's why you need your 4G on, and it gives you a very good idea of where the drone is. Right here. Straight right there. Okay, searching for my drone, and there it is. The battery, it hit the mountain, and the battery popped off. I don't see the battery anywhere, but I don't care, there's the drone. I crashed the last night when I was flying, so it's been here the entire night, roughly 12 hours, and I just found it. I'm gonna show you where it is. Look at this. I had to walk up here in between all these rocks. I'm just happy that I found it. And I found it because of the DJI app. Let me bring it out. So, the propellers, the blades seem to be in working order. So does the gimbal. The battery came off and 2 of the light reflectors popped off. Happy I found this thing. So happy. Right now I'm looking for the battery, which that would be a bonus to find the battery. I'm happy I got the drone. Okay, I just walked up to the top. I'm parked way over there. Yesterday, I was parked. Where was I parked? I was parked right here, and I flew roughly 1,000 feet in between these 2 mountains, these 2 rocks. And as it came back, I must have hit the rock right there, tumbled all the way down, and that's where I found it. Just got done from walking from the rock formation, and the cool thing about the DJI Spark, I don't know if there's a tracking device that's in here without the battery, because obviously there's no battery, and I was still able to somewhat pinpoint where it was. Now I don't know if it just went off of the last location or if there's some tracking device in here. I don't know, but I'll show you what it looks like on my phone. But I'm happy I have it. Just walked down from that mountain, roughly 1,000 feet from where I took off. Man, so let me show you what it looks like on the phone. Now, like I said before, I don't know if the drone itself has a GPS locator in it or if it just went off of the last location. But in any event, this is what it looked like. So I was able to pinpoint where I was. Right here on the screen, right here where I zoomed in, that's where I'm at right now. And this is where the drone was last night. So obviously it doesn't have a locating device in it because it's sitting right next to me. So it just went off its last location. And as you see, as I turn the phone, well, I'm turning the phone right now, the blue arrow that's indicating me is turning. So I think that's pretty cool. I just got home and man, I'm happy to have found my drone. But I want to see if it works. So let me put the battery in. I'm gonna put the battery in and then I'm gonna see if I can fly it. So let's see if the battery goes in. Oh, good, the battery's in. Seems to be holding. Oh, good. All right, let me set it up and then take it for a test fly. Hopefully it flies. It powered up. So far, so good. Okay, so it found the spark. Let's see if it takes off. Wow, that's perfect. Man, I'm so happy, as you can imagine. So, if you're worried about losing your Spark, you know that you can go to the app and it will pretty much pinpoint your location. If you're worried about losing your Spark, I would imagine it works like that on a lot of drones, but all I know is it found my Spark. I'm happy. So, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, and I'll be sure to get back with you. And as usual, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.